Hey friends, if photos are turning black after opening on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the first solution is to update the graphics card drivers, and how will you do that? Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for graphics card drivers, right click and update the first set, then right click and update the second set. The next solution is to repair the Photos app. Search for Photos in the Windows search bar, and then in the right pane, click on this download pointing arrow, select app settings, and then you can scroll down and click on terminate first. Then select repair to repair the Photos app. Wait till you get the tick here and then press reset to reset the reset the Photos app. If this works well and good, if not, just uninstall it. Okay, it will need a few seconds to uninstall. Meanwhile, we will search for the Microsoft Store in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store. Now search for the Photos app in the search bar here, and then go to Microsoft Photos and then click on install here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.